Where do people go after death? To heaven or to hell? Does the soul really exist? In 1907, a doctor named Duncan in the United States conducted a crazy experiment to verify the existence of the soul and whether it could be measured. He installed sensitive weighing scales on a hospital bed and invited terminally ill individuals to lie on it, constantly observing changes in the test subject's body weight, especially the subtle changes at the moment of death. This kind of experiment may sound inhumane, but even more absurd were the results. Duncan's first test subject was a man suffering from a serious illness who passed away after approximately 3 hours. At the moment of his death, the beam of light on the measurement scale suddenly flickered, and the pointer rapidly dropped by 3/4, approximately 21.26 grams. This is where the idea of the human soul weighing 21 grams originated. Subsequently, Duncan invited 5 more patients to participate as test subjects, but unfortunately, due to the inability to confirm the exact time of death and other reasons, the measurement results could not be used as reference, and the experiment was declared a failure. Although it did not prove the existence of the soul, Duncan's research was widely publicized by the New York Times. However, in 2017, a popular science article on the Softpedia website poured cold water on those who believed in the existence of the soul. The article pointed out that even if there were souls after death, they would be different from the ghosts we imagine. Although there might still be arms and legs, since the soul belongs to the immaterial realm, your feet would not create friction with the ground, and your body would lack atoms capable of reflecting light, making you invisible to others. Additionally, the soul lacks atoms and the physical properties such as density and inertia that living beings have, so it cannot manipulate matter or produce sound. However, these ideas are only speculative and have not received authoritative scientific confirmation. Assuming there are no souls in this world, where do people go after death? At the moment of death, your cells will start suffocating due to lack of oxygen, and your muscles will no longer contract. Mitochondria will cease to produce ATP, and even the nervous system will lose its energy supply. Shortly thereafter, you, completely devoid of vital signs, will be cremated at temperatures reaching 1000 degrees Celsius. The water molecules in your body will turn into vapor under high temperature and disperse into the air, while light elements such as sulfur and nitrogen will escape as vapor or gaseous oxides from proteins and body fat. Other organic compounds will break down into carbon black and quickly combine with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Scientists estimate that during the cremation process of an adult, about 45 kilograms of carbon dioxide are generated, leaving behind only the strong mineral crystal debris and a small amount of sodium chloride mixture in the bones. These are the last mementos of your loved ones can receive, your ashes. Most people believe that death marks the end, but the story is far from over. After you are cremated, whether your ashes are buried in the ground or scattered into the sea, animals, plants, or microorganisms will absorb all the mineral elements contained in them, ultimately becoming a part of their lives. However, this is only a small part of your body. Most of the atoms that make up your body will scatter around the world as gas molecules like water or carbon dioxide produced during your cremation, then condense into rainwater, and be absorbed by plants, eventually transforming into nitrogen and entering the atmospheric cycle. From a certain perspective, the blood flowing in our veins and the air we breathe every day may be a part of everything. So, life and death are not the most important things. What matters is the experiences and feelings. No substance is eternal, but you exist forever.